Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Devyani Barve, and today I want to talk to you about something that has suddenly become very popular: IV drips for wellness, beauty, energy, and just about everything else. You may have seen them all over social media, in salons, spas, and even being given at home, marketed as glow drips, detox drips, wedding prep drips, or hangover cures. But the real questions are IV drips actually safe for everyone? Who really needs them? And who should avoid them? Let's understand this clearly. IV drip stands for intravenous therapy. It's a method for delivering fluids, vitamins, minerals, or medications directly into your bloodstream through a vein. Because it goes straight into your blood, it works faster, bypasses the digestive system, which is why it is extremely useful in medical situations. Traditionally, IV drips have been used in hospitals for severe dehydration caused by vomiting or diarrhea, for post-surgical recovery, in chronic illnesses, in malnourished patients, during chemotherapy, and after accidents or trauma. So yes, IV drips are powerful medical tools and have an important place in healthcare. However, in the recent years, social media platforms like Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok have completely changed how IV drips are perceived. They are now being promoted as quick lifestyle fixes with attractive terms such as instant glow, detox, energy boost, immunity boost, or hangover cure, making them look luxurious, harmless, and easily accessible. Many of these services are now offered in non-medical settings, such as salons, spas, often without any proper medical screening, almost like booking a facial or a pedicure. And this is where the danger lies, because just because something is trending does not mean it is safe or suitable for your body. IV drips are not meant for everyone. They are medically recommended only for specific groups of people. These include individuals with diagnosed deficiencies such as vitamin B12 deficiency, vitamin D injections, iron deficiency, electrolyte imbalances confirmed through blood tests, or for patients recovering from surgery or trauma who need faster healing and cannot have oral intake. Patients with digestive disorders such as Crohn's disease, severe IBS, or chronic vomiting who cannot absorb nutrients properly, and cancer patients who are undergoing chemotherapy, who may require additional nutritional or fluid support. It is very important to understand that feeling tired, dull, or stressed is not a medical diagnosis. Self-diagnosing fatigue or taking an IV drip without medical advice is not safe. Now let's address some of the more popular claims seen online. Many people believe IV drips give instant energy. This is true only if the person actually has low vitamins or iron levels. For healthy individuals, extra vitamins do not increase energy and are either flushed out of the body or can cause imbalance. Another common claim is that IV drips cure hangovers. While fluids may help with dehydration that alcohol causes, IV drips do not detox alcohol from your liver, and using them regularly for hangovers can be risky. It gives you a false sense of security, whereas damage by the excessive alcohol is already done. When it comes to glowing skin or anti-aging, IV drips may improve the appearance only if there was an underlying deficiency. There is no strong clinical evidence supporting IV drips as beauty or anti-aging treatments for healthy people. The same applies to immunity boosters. Vitamin C, zinc can help only if you are deficient. If your immune system is already functioning well, additional doses offer no extra benefit. Now let's talk about some of the real risks of taking IV drips without medical supervision. Infections are a major concern. If IVs are not administered in completely sterile conditions, bacteria can enter your bloodstream, leading to skin infections, vein infections, or even serious blood infections. Vitamin overdose is another risk. Unlike food or oral supplements, IV vitamins go straight into your circulation. Fat-soluble vitamins such as A, D, E and K can accumulate in the body and damage liver, kidneys or heart. Electrolyte imbalance is also dangerous. Unnecessary sodium and potassium can cause muscle cramps, weakness, fatigue, and in severe cases, heart rhythm disturbances. Allergic reactions are another serious risk because IV cocktails often contain multiple substances, and without proper medical history or testing, reactions can be very unpredictable. Another hidden problem is that IV drips can mask your symptoms. They may give temporary relief or energy, but the real issue, such as anemia, poor sleep, stress, hormonal imbalances, nutritional gaps, or an underlying medical condition, remains untreated. One of the most concerning trends is IV drips being administered in salons or non-medical setups. Salons are not licensed medical facilities. In most cases, there is no doctor assessment, no review of medical history, no review of blood tests, and no emergency equipment or a crash cart if something goes wrong. Hygiene is also a major concern because even a single reused cannula or improper technique can introduce bacteria directly into your bloodstream. There is also no way to ensure that the type of drip or dosage being given is actually appropriate for your body. That is why it is important to remember that IV drips are medically advised procedures and should never be taken casually just because they are trending or marketed well. To conclude, IV drips are not bad. They have real medical value when used responsibly and under proper medical guidance. The problem arises when they are used as shortcuts for tiredness, dull skin, or lifestyle issues. Instead of relying on IV drips as a quick fix, focus on a balanced nutrition, good sleep, and stress management. Focus on your hydration and a healthy lifestyle. And most importantly, always consult a qualified doctor before taking any IV drip, even if it looks safe or glamorous. Your health deserves informed decisions, not trends. If you found that this video was helpful, do like it, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.